Here's a video to show you how to remove the line in your Kobalt 40V Max Electric Trimmer. This is a great trimmer, but the problem I'm having right now, there's a piece of line stuck inside of this and I can't load my new line into it. Here's how you get that out. Just going to turn it over on its side like this. And I'm looking for two tabs. I have one here and I have one on the other side as well. I'm going to take a screwdriver. I'm going to push the bottom of that tab in and pull with my other hand. And that'll release one side. Do the same thing on the other. And the whole top's released. Now, you can remove that. Let's see, where's this? I got line right here. There's all kinds of wound up in there. Remove that line, put this back in, making sure it moves freely up and down. Put the top piece back on first. Get that on there. And then the last step is to take this piece. You want this tab here. So you go right here into this housing, and the other tab's going to go into that one. Just like that. You press to hear the click, and you're all set. If you need to know how to load the line into this thing, check out the video in the description, show you how to do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.